Potholes are an ever-present danger to cyclists. If you've been cycling regularly anywhere in a city centre, you'll know that they can lurk unawares and present a real danger. If you start from the assumption that the local authority, which is the council in most cases, have a duty to repair the highways, you probably appreciate that's the case. There's legislation that's been around for 30 odd years which governs that and deals with that, and it requires that the local council, the highway authority, take care to make sure that the highways are in good repair. However, it's not an absolute duty, and what that means is that they can't be expected to repair every single pothole as and when it arises, because obviously they can occur quite quickly, overnight, over a few days. What we do expect the council to do is to have a regular system where they inspect the highways, and they'll have people going around and checking what they look like on a regular basis, and the busier the area, the more frequently they'll have to inspect the area. And if there's anything that's cropped up that's in a particularly bad state of repair, then they'll send people out and get it fixed pretty quickly. If it happens to you and you come off your bike as a result of a pothole, the best thing to first of all do is obviously check what the pothole looks like, take photographs of it if you can, and notify the council, because the last thing you want is for anybody else to be in that situation. Photographs are very important, because if you do make a claim against the council, you've got to know what it looked like when you had your accident. So, if you go back a couple of weeks later, it might be in a much worse state, and you can't prove what kind of state the pothole was in when you had your accident, and that's really important in terms of making a claim. What the council will do is they will respond to a letter of claim from your solicitor, and they will tell you whether they accept that they're at fault or not. And if they say they're not at fault, it will be because they say they've got a reasonable system of inspecting and maintaining the carriageway. Really, then it boils down to whether they've satisfied their legal duty, whether they've done everything that the law would expect them to do to maintain the highways. And if they haven't, then we've got a good chance of proving that they're at fault and getting some compensation.